Nina, was it you? Who did this? Who did this? Who did it? Who put this hole in the couch? Did you do it, Nina? What did you do?
Lucy, what did you do? Did you eat Mummy's shoes? Look at Mummy. What is this? Did you eat my shoe? Huh? Did you eat my shoe?
8.
See, who ate this? Who ate this, Opal? Was this you? Did you eat this? Huh? Did you eat this? Did you eat this?
Who got in the trash? Huh? Zane, come here.
Chicken breast. So, we got
Cody. Cody, did you have a party today? Did you have some chicken breast today? Huh?
Halo? Did you do that to the pillow? To my Bosco pillow, did you do that? Halo?
Did you eat that lollipop?
Give me the lollipop.
Give it up. Hey, give her the lollipop now. Ready?
opened up your bed. Cece. Cece. I'm not yelling at you. Come here. Cece. Are you looking away?
Zorro, who did all of this? Who did all of this? He did this? Who did this?
It's a pile of poop. Did you do that?
Was it you? Or was it you? Ella, did you do it? I think she did it. Did you? Or did you? I think both you did it.
Who did this? Who did this? Was it you? Huh?
What did you do? Bradley, what did you do? Huh? What did you do in here?
That's you. You definitely did that, Wawa. Who poops on a wall, man? You don't poop on a wall.
Put your head down.
You don't poop on a wall. That's a bad dog.
Come here. Hey, you have a good day? Come here, you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Come here, Missy. Did you have a good day? Huh? Did you have a good day? Daddy loves you. You have a good day? But who tore my pants up, though? Oh, y'all don't want to talk about that? Y'all don't want to talk about that?
Alright, somebody shoot on the case. Who did it?
Did you eat all of the English muffins? Are you sorry? Do you think it's funny?
Toe. 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 Look at me, Toe. Who did this? Who threw this down? Toe. Toe. Toby, look at me. You did it.
小伙子，你别一犯了错就抱着桌子腿行吗？啊，你看这鲜烟球给你咬的，咋的？你不扎嘴吗？是不是这鲜烟球在动你手啊？跟你没关系，是不？啊？
What are you doing? Are you being a bad girl?
Athena, sit. Sit. Athena, sit. Good girl. What is this? What is this? Athena. What is this? Coming home for dinner. Mess everywhere. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess? Avery, come here. Come here. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess? Come here. Who did this? Did you do this?
Look at me. I said, look at me. What did you do? Huh? What did you do? Hey, look at me. Lola, look at me.
Did you go in Mama's kitchen? Cole, were you in Mama's kitchen? Naughty. Naughty.
It's medicine. And where is Trooper? Trooper? Did you get in the garbage?
Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Are you sure you're a good boy? Huh? Did you eat poop today, Photo? Did you eat poop? Uh-huh. I knew it.
Hey Tonka, did you chew my rug? Did you chew on my rug today? Is that a yes?
Coda. What have you done?
Who did this?
Did you do this? You stuck?
Who got the Cheez-Its? Did you do that? Huh? Did you? Look at me.
What happened? I'm speechless. What happened?
Come here.
Where's my paper towel, Scooter? Where's my paper towel, Scooter? Oh, there's my paper towels. What you got in that bed there, buddy?
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny? You pooped in the kitchen?
Who's a bad girl? Look at what you did. Harley. Harley. Did you do this? Was this you? Clyde.
Who was the bad one that chased the cat outside? Huh? Whoever did it, go into the crate, put yourself on timeout. It was you, wasn't it? You were the bad girl.
Do you? Do you have bad habits? Sometimes you do. Like, you lick everything. All the time. Non-stop. Are you guilty?
Bad dogs. Cannot believe you destroyed that pillow. I can't believe you shit on the floor.
Did you make this mess and tear up that Christmas present? Did you do this? Did Lily do that? Did she do this? I think you did.
Jeannie? Peppa? Who did it?
What is it?
Huh? What is this? Is this the elbow chair? What'd you do to the elbow chair? Huh? You're naughty. That is naughty.
Did you potty on the floor? Did you? Did you do that?
Come here. What is this? We don't do that. We don't do that.